Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's video, we're going to see about our review and preview today. So let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so coming to Nifty. So today we had a huge momentum in Nifty today, and the market fell almost around 500 points, and so it touched near 17,000 mark, and it went back another recovered around 150 points. So finally, the thing is, what happened is last week we have no said it in our review and preview that the market was giving a correction. So once the market breaks around 18,000, we will be expecting around 17,600. That was 38.2% retracement level. And what happened is last Friday, exactly the market came around 38%. It gave a and it went little below, and then it was formed as a doji candle. But the thing is, when we speak about doji, it is like an indecisive movement. And next candle today, what happened is today, because of the global cues and the no the fear of interest rate hike in US, the it's like a panic selling. Most of the people started to sell the markets, and that is the reason why Nifty has fallen around 500 points as well today. But the thing is, the overall trend is not in a buy trend. This is just a correction of the overall uptrend. So need not get into a big panic since it was done in a single day. And my suggestion is now, since the market has come up to 61.8% retracement level, yet the trend reversal has not yet occurred for the market to move upwards. So my suggestion is, let us wait for another 1 or 2 days, and once the market gives a trend reversal over here or another 200 300 points, it comes down and gives a trend reversal, then we can go for a buy. So until then, it is better to wait and watch the market for another 2 3 days, since the market since the US Fed interest rate hike is there. So we have to wait and watch in Nifty. And the overall trend, if Nifty has to go for a sell, it has to break below 16,400. So only if Nifty breaks below 16,400, then the market will be in a total long-term sell trend. So until that, you need not worry about the overall sell trend. Still, the market is in buy trend, but only a correction part is going on. So once the correction is over, we can expect a huge upward momentum as well. So we have to wait and watch. All right. And coming to Bank Nifty. So as you can see, like Nifty, Bank Nifty has given a 50% retracement, and it started to reject. And we have to wait for Bank Nifty as well. But the thing is, overall, still Bank Nifty is also in a buy trend, and as expected, these are the targets which I have given around 39,000, 40,000, and 41,800. So just wait for some more 1 or 2 days. Once, if the Fed interest rate hike is not there, obviously the market is going to go up, and we have our budget as well. So I'll be posting my budget view in the coming days as well. So Bank Nifty is still in a buy trend. Just for a correction, it has come down. So let us wait and watch. And coming to gold. So coming to gold market, so now gold is at a very crucial point at the very long-term weekly symmetrical triangle pattern, and it's at the top of the symmetrical triangle pattern. And if the market is able to break above the symmetrical triangle resistance, and it's able to close above this, then we may expect a huge uptrend in the gold. So we can see the old gold's powerful movements in the coming days if it is able to break. If the market is not able to break, then we may expect the same market to come and retest the previous symmetrical triangle support as well. So that is concerning gold. So it is inside a symmetrical triangle, and it's an indecision moment. We have to wait and watch what the market is going to do in the coming days. All right, so that is for the review and preview today. Thank you very much for joining. Take care.
I hope it was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.